Hello guys, welcome to a new video. This video about Afghanistan supercar and 0 to 100 who make and we're making 0 to 100 and be with me until the end of the video. And don't forget the support. Thanks for your support and like and subscribe and let's go. Afghanistan supercar made by this man that you're seeing and his name's Muhammad Reza Ahmadi, and he learned his lesson in Iran country in Isfahan province, and that we can't believe it because these supercars need to large companies, best companies, and he made this car by the very garbage things that was in Afghanistan, and now and we are watching Afghanistan car making. Wow. Amazing, we can't believe it. It's a supercar. And the moment of the inserting Afghanistan car in a Qatar exhibition international Qatar exhibition, and the hearing this is
and top aims to become one of the top 5 international car design companies in the world. Also, one of NTOP's goals is to enter the field of clean energy in production of lithium batteries. NTOP company was established in 2019 and started its activity in the field of car design. More than 20 experts have gathered in this company to design and build car prototypes in a good way. Afghanistan is probably at the least place you would expect supercar to be built.
And this Afghanistan car manager of this company is Muhammad Reza Ahmadi. Company name is NTOP. And this car company of this car is NTOP. You can search in Google the NTOP. And thanks for your support and don't forget to like and subscribe and goodbye.